In business and entrepreneurship, embrace continuous growth. Seek knowledge, mentors, and inspiring peers. Success thrives on collaboration, fueled by passion and creativity. Embrace lifelong learning for transformative greatness.
Motivational videos are really popular on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. People love them because they give them a boost of encouragement in their day-to-day lives. But making your own motivational video is better than using clips from famous people or podcasts because you can't make money from videos that use other people's stuff. So, let me show you how to make your own motivational video in just 5 easy steps. Writing the script, adding narration using text-to-speech, picking background music, finding suitable video clips, and editing everything together. Let's start with the first step, finding a motivational quote. This is easy to do. You can search for motivational quotes on Google, Instagram, or TikTok. Another option is to ask ChatGPT to write one for you. Here are 5 motivational quotes about business success, entrepreneurship, and how to succeed in life. This is quite a long text for me, so I'll ask it to shorten. Now, let's move on to the voiceover. This is really important because it makes the video feel new and interesting. If you have a good, deep voice and a decent microphone, you can record yourself saying the motivational quote. Another option is to use AI to turn the text into a voice. There are lots of free and paid tools for this, but I'll use 11 Labs. It's widely used and highly praised. They have a free plan and paid plans. At first, I used the free plan, but later I switched to the starter plan. When you decide, you'll see a window like this. Choose the voice you like, preferably a deep male voice. I personally like Brian's voice the most. Then, paste the text provided by ChatGPT. You don't need to change any settings, just leave them as they are. Press Generate and download the voiceover. For background music, you can choose from any website as long as it's copyright-free. If you've used a website before and had a good experience, you can stick with it. I'll be using Chosic. Let's go there to download music. Here, you can search for the type of music you want. For example, you can look for motivational music, and you'll find plenty of options available. I decided to use funk music because I already have some ideas in mind for edits. It's important to note that you can use the music as long as you give credit by copying the text below and pasting it in the description. Now, we need videos featuring luxury cars, luxurious places, wealthy people, and more. I'll be using Pixels for that. Don't worry, you won't have any copyright issues with this site. It's completely reliable. They also have images in case you need them. Here, select videos and type in luxury. Go to Filters and select Vertical. You'll see plenty of good shots. Carefully browse through and choose a few. I might download 5 of them. Now that we have everything, the script, voiceover, background music, and video footage. We need to merge them all together and create magic. For editing videos, I always use CapCut, but you can use any software you want. It's not that important. Start a new project, adjust the settings, and import all the files you downloaded. Drag everything down, stretch the timeline just in case, and move the videos above the music track. Trim the videos and adjust the music volume. Add a fade-out effect to lower the music volume at the end. Let the opacity be 100% and add a keyframe. Now drag this to the end and reduce the opacity to 0, and the keyframe will be automatically added. Create auto captions by selecting Text, Auto Captions, and choose the language. Connect the text and select a template that suits your video. Change the font and add effects like shadow. Add a vignette effect if you like. Finally, add transitions between the clips. And adjust the resolution to 1080p before exporting. That's it. Now your video is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
In business and entrepreneurship, embrace continuous growth. Seek knowledge, mentors, and inspiring peers. Success thrives on collaboration, fueled by passion and creativity. Embrace lifelong learning for transformative greatness.